Hello, let's see how we can create this text effect with Canva, with both, with free Canva and with Pro Canva. Now I am on the Canva homepage. We can choose video, click video, and we can choose size. Let it be Facebook video. Now let's enter the text. Let's go to the left side menu, click letter T text, and heading. Now we can enter our text. I am entering I love Helloween. We can make it bigger and we can search for other font. Let's go to the fonts and let's see how 𝐂𝐵𝐿𝐴 fonts look. Or let's try 𝐂𝐚𝐧𝐯𝐚. Okay, I am leaving this one. Now let's adjust spacing. Let's go to the spacing here on the top menu and we can adjust. Now we can search for video. Let's go to the left side menu, apps, and here we can choose videos. And let's search for Helloween. We see there is a free video. We can click on it and we can click right button and set video as a background. We can double click and we can adjust position and click done. We can change the text color if we want. We can click on the text, go to colors, and we can pick color from our video or from our picture, from our background. Now we need to duplicate our text. Click right button and duplicate, or click Ctrl+D. Now we have a copy of our text and I am leaving only word I love. Now click on the text and go to effects. And here we can select hollow effect. And now drag text on the word love. And let's go to position and layers. And we see that there is first layer, then our text and background. Now we can search for GIF. Let's go to the apps and enter Giphy into the search field and choose this one app and click open. And now we can search for Encanto stickers and we see a lot of free stickers. I'm choosing this one. And now we can make it bigger. And now let's go to the position and layers and take GIF and drag it between the texts. And here you go. We can see how our video looks. Click play button here on the top. And that's it. And if you want, you can change the background. You can choose other video and see how it looks. For example, I'm choosing this one and set video as a background. We can change the color of the text and let's see how it looks. And that's it. I hope you like this quick tutorial. Click like and subscribe and see you next time.